Hello? Hello guys, I've been in the hospital with my mom since morning. It's been a very terrible experience because I have to go to the POS to withdraw money to pay all the times I made payment. But anyway, I want to thank God that she has been seen and everything is fine. At least by the time she starts taking the medication and rubbing the ointment on the affected area, it will be good. So I have not been able to do a live since then. So guys, it's not been easy, but we thank God all the way. See you guys later. We are back from the hospital. It wasn't easy. Hospital, then I went to Globalcom. Oh my God. Some staff at the Globalcom office, they are so rude. They talk to you like you came to beg them for money. Some Nigerians, we are not even kind to ourselves. Yeah, we want the leadership to work. Ha. What I saw today, my mouth cannot even talk. May God help us. So guys, I know I have not been able to catch up on so many videos. I've been in the hospital with my mom for checkup. It was not easy. We thank God the POS payment wahala and all, but I thank God that at least she has gotten her medication for the recent disease that is going around because of the weather. So she'll be fine. She'll be fine. We thank God for healing because I'm thanking God on her behalf. She'll be fine. Thank you for all those who reached out to me, who checked up on me. God bless you guys. See you as we. I'm really tired of listening to people tell me how they gave somebody money, the person scammed them. See, Nigeria is already too hard. Go online, apply to universities. If you want to do it yourself, go online, apply to universities. But if you truly want to travel quick, go to professionals. They will help you. Yes, it will cost you money, but it will save you from losing money. There are universities that take people as undergraduates. There are universities that take people in masters and PhD. Are you aware that if you go to professionals, they will teach you how to apply for a visa and you won't be rejected? Remember that if you want to do it on your own, you end up doing penny wise pound foolish. Why not just go to a professional, pay them? If your money is not up to their fee, beg them. It's better than going to give money to a scammer, or you go and try yourself and they'll deny you. Let me tell you, once they deny you visa, it's usually difficult to get visa, especially US and Canada. Guys, please be wise. If you are not wise in other years, this 2022, be wise. Nigeria is already too tough for you to carry your little money and give to scammers. Stop looking for fast way out. Strive. Honestly, I'm tired of all this. Somebody scammed me, somebody did this. You carry your international passport and give somebody, in the process they will misplace it. Have some sense now. Haba. So guys, I'm back home now, trying to rest my head. See, if you want to gain admission to the US, UK, Australia, every part of the world outside Nigeria, get yourself a certified agent that you have seen their work in the past. Get an agent. Like, one of the agents I know is really doing her best, giving free scholarships. Right now, as I speak to you, she's currently doing a promo for her birthday and giving her mentorship class half of the price. She is good. She will help you. Get people who you know that can help you do this thing. If you're on Whitey, you can meet Esther. She will help you. Stop killing yourself. So guys, if you watch this video, you can see my two sons writing and taking notes in church. That really caught my attention, and I'm so happy to be their mother.